Here is a presentation of linear regression tests using PSPP by Colbert, doctorate student, California Intercontinental University, GRC 605 Business Research Methodology and Quantitative Statistics. Today's date, August 16, 2019, and our agenda is as follows. We are going to perform a linear regression using PSPP as earlier indicated by first of all presenting a background, second of all statement of hypothesis, and thirdly expose of output and results, finally takeaways. Background. Existing data of participants are imported from Excel to PSPP, then analyzed. Based on output obtained, we are able to compare p-values to level of significance and draw a conclusion whether to accept or reject the null hypothesis. We evidence debt to income, savings to income, and stocks to savings. Debt and income, no significant regressor. A first hypothesis test, the following regression was conducted. The null hypothesis, the regression coefficient is 0. Our alternative hypothesis, the regression coefficient is non-zero. A simple linear regression was conducted to determine whether we can predict income using debt. No significant regression was found. Beta 0.05, R square 0.00, p-value 0.535. Given that p is greater than 0.05, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, we cannot predict income using debt. Regarding savings and income, a significant result was found. Second hypothesis test consists of the following regression was conducted. A null hypothesis, the regression coefficient is 0. The alternative hypothesis, the regression coefficient is non-zero. A simple linear regression was conducted to determine whether we can predict income using savings. No significant regression was found. Beta coefficient is 0.91, R square 0.82, p-value 0.000. Given that p is less than 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, we can predict income using savings. Finally, we evidence the level of stocks and savings, no significant regressor. So our third hypothesis test, as indicated earlier, the following regression was conducted. No hypothesis, the slope of the regression is 0. Alternative hypothesis, the slope of the regression is non-zero. A simple linear regression was conducted to determine whether we can predict savings using stocks. No significant regression was found as beta coefficient 0.28, R square 0.07, p-value 0.00. Given that p is less than 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, we cannot predict savings using stock. Takeaways. At the end of this presentation, it is a lot easier to analyze data using PSPP. Second, regression analysis helps to predict the outcome of the dependable variable. Finally, one significant result was found. Savings and income. What this means is that based on an agent's savings, one can predict his or her level of income. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.